Hey Albert! Hey Wilf! Track fans! How you all doing? Right, I'll keep still. Someone said you've got to keep still on the camera, Pete. Anyway, welcome to track 110. We are here. We're going to do the usual stuff and then we're going to go to garage. I've got a funny story for you when we get to the garage about the car that we're driving today. So without further ado, can you guess what the car is before I disclose the actual name of it on the race? Let us know, Albert. Wilfred, enjoy. Come on, track fans. Hey, Albert, track fans. Get round here. Let's get round here. A little bit of kick out there. We've got to take it strong on the back. Get round through tunnel cam. We've had a crash. We've had a crash. We derailed it on Gambon. Okay, welcome back, Albert, Wilf, and track fans. So, can anyone guess what the car on the track is today? Well, let me tell you, if you didn't know, it's the Lola T70 Mark III. Love it. I'll tell you what class it is, what race class this is when we get to the garage a little bit later. And love this car, I tell you. I took it out racing, was it? Yes, last week. So that would have been... Today is the 5th. That would have been, who knows, last week. Anyway, so track 110. Welcome back, guys. So here, let's have a quick look as always and see the resemblance. So that's the track we're trying to achieve in our sort of breakaway project from the 100th track onwards. So let's see, does it resemble the brochure? So, okay. Yeah, I think it's not bad. In fairness, this here should be raised, but I didn't want to raise it because I like the Crossroads rocks. Anyway, what are these next to me? Oh, a big thank you, shout out to Simon up in Swaddling Co. He is an expert laser printer. So if you've got a stack of figures and off of, I don't know, an online marketplace and you need to get bases, this is your man. So if you need him, leave a comment. He is an avid fan of the show. Cheers, Si. And he'll be able to respond to you from there. Anyway, that's bases. Advert done. Let's get on with track 110. 110 for men. Oh no, sticky start from the Lola. I think it was a power. Whoa, he's come off already. What I forgot to tell you guys is this, albeit quite like, hang on. So you've got some quite long straights up here and around there. It's quite a technical track. Anyway, let's get on with it. I'm going to take it slow around the track just so you can see how this Lola handles. But it's very difficult because the Lola is a beast. It is a Thunderslot brand. So we've got a Thunderslot car racing on the Scalextric track, digital. As he comes in and takes it round Bacharach Bend on the far corner there, through Albert's garage and into the Crossroads there, through Pole, round up and around again. Martini stand, Albert Garage, Chicago, Hammerhead. Oh, I thought it was Chicago there. Sorry, Chicago. And back through Chicago now and into Bacharach. Brilliant. Out round the long flyover. Sorry, I lost my words there for a moment. I thought someone was approaching the den from outside. I should pay more attention to the road. Everyone, focus on driving the car when you're driving the car. A good friend of mine up at Rockingham, he says, Pete, if you don't come off the track, you save yourselves 30 seconds. 30 seconds it takes on average for a marshal to put your track back on the track, car back on the track for you. So, if you stay on the track and don't crash it 4 times like me in a race and lose 2 seconds, sorry, 2 minutes almost. 2 minutes. 30 seconds a time. It's incredible. Anyway, Thunder Slot, Lola, T70 Mark III on the track. Up and around through Bacharach into Chicago and into Hammerhead, heading through to Bentley. We're loving this. This is quite a technical. You can see it. The Lola is kicking out a little bit into that tent, into the corner here now behind the hospitality tent. So as we take it around, we'll try and race a little bit further, a little bit faster, and see if we can exploit some of these straights. So here we go. Well, we're stepping it up a bit. We might even be able to get a little bit of drift on that far corner as we go round. So in there, round to Bacharach, in towards Chicago, nice, through Hammerhead and coming through Pole to Bentley, round. Drift it! Only a little kick out, but it was a kick out nevertheless. And we love kick outs in the den, yes! Oh, wheel spins, let's get a close up. Spinning, spinning, will we get it? It's getting traction, I can see it. Will it? No, it won't. So let's help it out. Oh no, we've lost connection. No, he's away. Lola is gone. Down along straights into Chicago, heading into the camera lens. Yes! Swoop through. And we're off and we're around again. Anyway, we're kicking it out now. So, as I said to you on the intro, there's a little bit of a funny story about this Lola and my knowledge of slot cars, which as you know is limited, but we're looking to change that to extensive. Anyway, meet me back at the den. Let's do a last lap. Last lap. Yes. Coming round into Chicago, up towards Bacharach and handling into pole. Beautifully done, Lola. Let's get to the garage, everyone. Come on. Hey, Albert. Hey, Wilf. Track fans. Welcome back to the garage. Here we are. We've got the Lola T70 Mark III from Thunder Slot right here. Now, just a quick promotion. If you want to find yourself some Thunder Slots, some NSR, some Scale Auto, some Slot It, some Scalextric, some Fly Racing, some Sideways GB, some Carrera, some whatever you want. Sorry about that little cut there. We had someone ring the doorbell, the dog went mental and we couldn't really hear anything. But as I was saying, slot car meet coming up Sunday, 20th of February, Milton Keynes. Milton Keynes, so local if you're in the Midlands. Anyway, well worth it. I'm going down there. It's going to be great fun. I'm going to do a VT from there. So if you are unable to make it, I'll see if I can share some of the highlights of the day or the time that I'm there at least with you. Anyway, so here, Lola T70 Mark III Thunder Slot. Beautiful car, really nice car. So, and this is, 1 second, don't want to get this wrong, it's a bit of a mouthful this one. This is for the class, the racing class, the Slot It and NSR, Classic Sports and GT. So this is fabulous. So I've got this and we all know I've got my trusty screwdriver here that's been helping us out through our tips and our looking under the hood of these things. So let's have a close up at the bottom of the car. As you can see, there we've got a removable engine mount plate here, engine block plate here. So you can take that off and you can change it to different heights along here. You have different thicknesses, so we have a 0.5 mil here. You can get it so it's flush or even more indented, because that gives you a little bit more downforce, G-force. I don't know what the aerodynamics are. I mean, come on, it does something for the car. So funny story. So I've always used my screwdriver to undo cars. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's not a screw. It's a hexagon. A hexagon. So I've bought some tools. I've got the tools. I can undo this now. I'm going to put on the screen a very, very popular set of screwdrivers, drivers for this. There you go. You can find them, just punch them into Google and it'll all come good. Right, we'll zoom you in a bit so you can get to see the inside of this car a little bit detailed. So there you go, for the enthusiasts under there, want to see under the hood, I'll put that there. Lovely build to the car. So we've got thunder slot motor, wiring straight to the front guide and the braids. You can see I've put a bit of weight in here already to just help me keep it on into the track. And then we've got front tyres, of which I need to polish because they're still as they are. And can you see that? Can you actually see the detail in that? They've actually got tread. It's got tread. It's not a slick smooth. So when I was up at the club last week, I didn't, guy up there trued them down for me so that they're slick. And what we've been doing is, if you remember from a few episodes ago, we got this little potion which helps make your tyres softer. So I've been process of applying it every couple of 3 days to make this and this really quite soft and sticky. Well, softer in the meantime, but stickier nearer to the time of racing. So this is the inside of the Lola T70 Mark III from Thunderslot. It is a great piece of car. I really like this car. So much fun to drive. And I actually did all right with this car, and I'm normally terrible at racing, but that's the fun. I like racing. So it doesn't matter if you're good, bad, skill will come in time. If you have a good time, that's what it's all about, track fans. So anyway, Albert, Wilf, on that note, I'll see you later, dudes.